What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I have a highly requested video from a young brother, sure enough a part of the Loc Nation fam. Head over to Instagram and show T Savage some love. Tell him Earthlocks by Kenyatta sent you. Enjoy the video. So the first thing you want to do this style is make a part down the middle of your head, starting at the front, going straight back, just like so. Once you create your part, just separate your two sides. Once you separate both of your sides and you have your part going down the middle of your head, you can start with one side. Now these are gangster braids, so this is going to be a pretty simple hairstyle. For this style, I want to do 7 braids. So I'm going to create a braid that comes right down the middle of the back. So basically what you do is take some hair from both sides. Here I've taken some hair from this side and from this side, and then this braid will go right down the middle. So at this point you can go ahead and cornrow this section right here, but what I recommend doing is going ahead and separating your sections before you start to do your braids. So that's what we're going to do right now. So once you create your first section right here in the back, just put a rubber band on it just like this, just to hold it. We're going to move to this side and create our sections for our braids on this side. So the first part that you create on this side, you want to start at the top, of course, and let it be parallel to the ear, coming straight down, because the first braid for any gangster braids that you do, you want your braid to hang right here over your ear or right in front of your ear. So that's why I created my part here. I'm going to go ahead and put a rubber band on it just to hold this section of hair. Moving right along. We're going to go ahead and create a part here, right in the middle of this hair, coming straight down. Pretty simple. If you have that section, go ahead and put a rubber band on it just to hold it. Of course, this is the last section on this side. By default, we're just going to put a rubber band to hold that section. On this side, you want to just create your part parallel to the ear. Just like that, because you want your braid to come down and hang right in front of your ear. So now that we have this section, we're just going to put a rubber band on just to hold it. We're going to create our parts here. Pretty simple, right down the middle. Just like so. We have this part. Put a rubber band on it. This is the last section by default. Okay. So as you can see, we have separated all of the hair around the head to create our gangster braids. So at this point, all you're going to do is braid each section down. Okay. Now, one of the reasons I like to do this as far as pre-sectioning the locks before you braid, because it helps you to assure that your braids will be even all the way around, as opposed to parting and braiding as you go along. So that's just a quick tip. So at this point, once you have your hair pre-sectioned for your gangster braids, you just want to go ahead and do your cornrows. Now with gangster braids, it's really a personal preference. You can do regular cornrows or you can do under braids. I personally recommend under braids for gangster braids when you're doing them on locks. It just looks better and it looks neater. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Now feel free to do any type of braid you like when doing this style. You can do crisscross braids, you can do regular cornrows, or you can do under braids. Like I said, I recommend doing under braids when doing gangster braids, and that's what I'll be doing today. So let's go ahead.
Lego. Original, man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to invade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Original, Batman, oh, hey, oh, VQ's on the vibe,
It's VQ's.
Standard.
Yeah, nah, yeah. It's Bodsy, baby, oh, nah, yeah. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move, make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, fella, so hey, show my baby love, Leo. Let me be your man tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby, oh. I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby, oh. I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far, like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, and make you move. Make you dance, and make you move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje.
from watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.